guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today, I want to take you guys through I wore pink for this video. I want to take you guys through my pink cotton candy delightful Christmas tree. I'm obsessed with this tree. I love it. And I did like a full little like pink moment in here. I have a pink bench that I brought upstairs and I did like all these gingerbread and candy style pillows and everything. So I want to show you guys how I kind of transformed this theme. I have some side stuff, pink elves, all the things. So I want to share it all with you guys. So if that's something you want to see, then just keep watching. All right. This is probably, I always say this, but it's one of my favorite trees. I love this tree because it truly is just so me. All my other trees kind of conform to what I feel like the house should look like. This is really just me in full chaos mode. So there's a lot of pink, there's a lot of candy, there is a lot of sweets and sugar and cookies and very Whoville organized chaos, which I will show you how to do. So unlike the other trees that I've shown you in our house, there is a ton of ornaments in this tree. But I do think that for this tree, it works. There's so many different beautiful ornaments, including lollipops and gingerbread cookies. Some of them are from Michael's, those lollipops, and these gingerbread men are from Michael's. You can get them as of this year. These giant lollipops and these ornaments are from Canadian Tire, which I know is so Canadian, but I'm sure you can get them anywhere. The ribbon is from Michael's. I love it. And then this beautiful like candy garland is from Mark Roberts, which is a Christmas company that's just stunning. So I set up the tree. The tree itself is from Michael's. I did the same thing as the tree that I shared in my office, the winter white tree. I filled it with some extra snow, so just some fluffy snow. And then there's a really cute tree skirt on there as well. But the fluffy snow really just makes it fuller. It's not a full tree to begin with. So if you're gonna buy a less expensive tree, which this one is, I think filling it with that extra fluff just makes a big difference. And you know what? You need a Rae Dunn cup if you're gonna decorate a tree, as well as a good movie, which I'll share with you in a second. So really cool, different tip. Get some feather boas, and they can be pink, they can be any color. So I have like a gray, purpley color, a full purple color, and then a hot pink color. And it just really worked out. They weren't premeditated. I just had them in the house and it just worked. They almost looked like a colorful snow. So I kind of placed them around the tree as though you would with garland, and I started with the pink at the top. So the reason why that one is kind of self-holding itself and it really looks very Whoville-ish at the top is there's a wire in that top pink boa. You can get that at Michael's. So at Michael's they have like this fur type of boa, I guess you call it, and I was watching the Grinch. It was so vibey and so perfect. So I put in that feather stuff, I put in the ribbon, and then I also had this like pom-pom ribbon that I just got off of Amazon. You can get it right off of Amazon in yards and yards, and that's what I did. So I had like a teal, pink, and then I stuffed that floral type of chaos at the top of it, which is from the floral department at Michael's as well. And then these oversized, almost candy looking, like confetti looking balls, and these giant lollipops. I stuck them in the tree, and I had some gingerbread men as well. And it really is chaotic, but the more you fill in this tree, the better it was looking. And it just became so very like Grinchy Whoville, which was really the vibe I was going for. And I'm telling you, I've said this before, in all the trees that I have, I really think that the sticks are what make the difference. So I stuck in the 2 giant lollipops first, along with those gingerbread sticks. So the gingerbread sticks came on sticks of 3. So they're like sets of 3 of gingerbread men. And then the elf feet, which were really, really big for the tree, but it worked. And so you can kind of see how it looks like, almost like sprinkles. And I filled this tree with ornaments, like so many different kind of ornaments. I have donut ornaments, I have lollipop ornaments, I have ice cream ornaments, and everything from home goods to Disney. That little cupcake is from Disney World, from little boutique shops here in Ottawa. And they really are just a collection from all over the place, and they all kind of match the same color theme though. And that's really important. So if you're going for a certain theme, stick to the same colorway. So everything falls within like a light pink to a teal blue. And that's it. I don't have any purples, I don't have any dark blues, and that's really, I think, what makes it work. So then on the bottom of the tree, I just had some extra ornaments, and I basically used some gift boxes, and I almost had them overflowing out of it. And a lot of the donuts and extra candy ornaments, as well as some of the cotton candy and like pie and all those things, were from Michael's, and I put them in a little box right next to the bed. And then I got this cute pink elf. So he's very similar to the other elves that I have, but he's all pink, and I just thought he went so well. And then I had my Wishables gingerbread man. Those 2 little cupcake ornaments on the side are from Disney World. And then my little squishmallow. And this is my little bench. I'll show it to you in a second, but I thought between the elf and everything on the side, I added this little snow globe, which is all electric. So it just flips open, flips on, and it's beautiful. It's not like a crank or anything. I love it, and it was super reasonable on Amazon. So this little bench is usually in my office downstairs, but I thought it so added to the tree. Little pink bench with some gingerbread pillows. I will link all the gingerbread pillows for you guys, as well as Santa pillow. The donut pillow obviously is from Disney World. Carl was lit. You guys, he does this for the camera. Just, you know, let's look extra cute. I think we're having food delivered. And then I put like this cute little furry pink sparkly blanket as well. I'm so happy with this tree. I love it. It's super vibey. You guys let me know what you think of it. And if you ever recreate a tree, always tag me on Instagram as well. I love seeing your tree creations. So the tree itself is not actually pink, it's the boas and the ornaments that really make it look pink. So you could theme this in any color that you wanted. You could do like a green and a white, or even a peppermint type of vibe. But I think the colorway is so critical, and I really think that that's what makes it look so cool. Like, it's all blues and all pinks, and I just think that that's what made it work. A lot of iridescent colors as well. I will be sure to link absolutely everything that I shared with you guys down below, where it's from, and if you ever have any questions, always just comment down below and I will be sure to answer you, and you can always DM me as well. I hope you guys enjoy the Decorate With Me's. I love sharing all of my trees. I still have a couple of different Decorate With Me videos to share with you guys this week, so thank you so much for always being a part of this with me. I truly, truly appreciate you guys. All right, you guys, I hope that you enjoyed the entire candy tree. Carl wanted to be a part of it. If you guys have any questions, always drop them down below. Make sure that you are following me not only on Instagram. I have 2 different pages. I have my main Instagram page, and then I have like the behind the scenes vlog page, but I also have this little like blog platform, which I will link down below, where I share everything mentioned either in my posts or in my videos. So if ever you have a question about something that I talked about, either an ornament or a piece of decoration or something that I'm wearing, I always try and link it if it's available, and I stay on it. I post on there like 2 to 3 times a day, so make sure that you're following on there as well. I will link it down below. If you guys liked this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure that you are subscribed so you don't miss any of the daily videos. Hit the bell for notifications so that you can be notified whenever a video goes live. And with that said, I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye, dudes.